Z Editor versus VS Code, which developer tool wins? Choosing the right code editor can transform your development speed and efficiency without the usual frustrations. We'll briefly look at Z Editor and Visual Studio Code to see how they differ. Z Editor and Visual Studio Code are both powerful code editors, but their core difference lies in design philosophy. Z focuses on ultra-fast performance and collaboration, while VS Code offers extensive customization and a vast extension ecosystem. Z Editor is a lightweight, high-performance code editor built for speed and real-time collaboration. It operates with minimal latency, making it ideal for developers who need instant feedback and smooth multi-user editing sessions. Z's architecture emphasizes efficiency by running natively on your machine, reducing load times significantly. Its collaborative features allow teams to code together seamlessly with live cursors and shared editing. However, Z is relatively new and has a smaller extension library compared to more established editors. This limits customization options and integrations with some development tools. Ideal users are developers working in teams who prioritize speed and live collaboration, especially in fast-paced environments where responsiveness matters most. Z excels on modern hardware but may not yet replace more mature editors for solo developers needing deep plugin support. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a widely adopted open source code editor known for its flexibility and rich ecosystem. It supports a broad range of programming languages out of the box and offers thousands of extensions to tailor your workflow. VS Code runs on Electron, which means it's slightly heavier but provides a consistent experience across platforms. Its integrated debugging, Git support, and IntelliSense code completion make it a comprehensive environment for individual developers and teams. While VS Code is feature-rich, its performance can slow down with many extensions or large projects. It lacks the real-time collaboration features built into Z, but integrates well with third-party collaboration tools. VS Code suits developers who want extensive customization, language support, and a mature toolset for various coding tasks. It's a solid choice for those who value versatility over raw speed. Comparing Z Editor and VS Code highlights a trade-off between speed and extensibility. Z delivers near-instant responsiveness and built-in collaboration, making it perfect for teams needing real-time coding without lag. VS Code offers a mature platform with deep customization and debugging tools, ideal for solo developers or teams requiring broad language support and integrations. In real-world use, Z shines in fast-paced, collaborative projects where latency matters, while VS Code is better for complex development workflows that rely on extensions and debugging. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you want a lightweight, collaborative editor, Z is the way to go. If you need a versatile, feature-packed environment, VS Code remains the industry standard. Choose Z Editor if real-time collaboration and ultra-fast performance are your top priorities, especially for team-based development projects. Opt for Visual Studio Code if you require a customizable, feature-rich editor with extensive language support and debugging tools. Both editors excel in their domains, so pick the one that best fits your workflow and project needs. Your ideal developer tool awaits.